Opus 4.7 just landed in Creao, and the big jump from 4.6, so I'm going to build a code review agent right now and show you what that actually means. I will describe in plain English. I want an agent that takes in a piece of code, reviews it for bugs, bad patterns, anything it would catch in a real code review, and gives me a clear summary with fixes. That's it. Creao builds that agent from the description. I'm going to paste in some code with a bug in it and let's see what it catches. Look at this. It didn't just flag the obvious stuff. It caught a logic error in the error handling and it flagged a performance issue. And here, it's suggesting a cleaner fix, not just pointing at the problem. This is the part where 4.7 is different. It actually fixes as it goes. 4.6 would tell you something was wrong, but 4.7 tells you what to do about it. The agent lives in my Creao workspace now, and I can run it on any code anytime. Opus 4.7 is what makes the review actually helpful. Free to start at Creao.ai.